Oh, hey there. Colt Briner here. Right now, you may be asking yourself, why am I surrounded by all these sad puppies? Puppies that most definitely are here with me right now in this room. No green screen technology going on here. Anyway, what was I talking about? Oh, right. Everyone's favorite topic, sad puppies. These sweet, adorable little puppies have had a bad day. They've just logged on to Ensemble's Indeed and Glassdoor pages, and what they saw made them very sad. But let's get serious for a minute. We know what a great place Ensemble is to work at, but our online reviews don't reflect that. So let's fix that. We want to show the world what a great place Ensemble is to work at. A place where
this is not just a job. This is part of a family, a culture, a mission.
Everybody has the ability to share their opinion. We're all in it together.
The leaders here really want you to actually succeed, and they actually want you to move up. They want to hurry up and get you to that next step as soon as you're ready.
Ensemble absolutely has invested in my growth. We do invest in our associates' growth. But for my personal experience, absolutely. Whether that's certification, whether that's getting exposure to other clients or to other industry events, there's been nothing but support from how to grow as a leader, very transparent feedback on how to grow as a leader, and very purposeful actions taken in order to grow your technical or your leadership skills.
Ensemble cares about the community, from Ronald McDonald to the Free Store Food Bank, even helping foster children here.
Recently, Ensemble donated enough school supplies to crayons to computers that actually broke their entire history of the donation.
We are the Ensemble difference. We want to show that to our competitors out there.
We don't sell widgets at Ensemble, we sell services. And the services are only as good as our people. And so the founding principle was hire the best people, keep them engaged, reward them, and lift them up really to be the best people in the industry.
Oh, hey there. Colt again. For hundreds of other animals, help came too late. But these pups have been given a second chance, thanks to some great online reviews. Right now, there's an animal that needs you. Your Indeed and Glassdoor reviews say that you're here to help.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.